Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change your Facebook account in Monopoly Go. As you can see here, I am in the main screen or game screen of Monopoly Go. And you can see the menu button in the top right corner. So just simply click on this and then click the settings icon. After clicking the settings icon, let's go ahead into manage account interface. After clicking the manage account interface, you will finally see the disconnect button on the top. Click the disconnect button and then click the disconnect again. It is now disconnected in our account. Now we want to switch the Facebook account that we are using in the Monopoly Go. Just head into the menu of your previous account and then log it out. And then log in the new Facebook account that you want to use for your Monopoly Go. And then let's go back to our Monopoly Go. And as you can see here, we just disconnected the previous account earlier and it is now connected to a new account. So that is how to change Facebook account in your Monopoly Go, and thank you for listening.